Hey guys, this is Rodrigo Diaz Coloma, and today I'll be teaching you how to become a soccer referee, United States soccer referee. Are you up for the challenge? All right, how to become a United States soccer referee. First, what you have to do is you have to go online and register at www.ussoccer.com/referees/resource center/referee. You must be 14 years old and you have to have a valid email address so that way you can be assigned via email or if you give your phone number, then you can receive a text message. You must have a social security number because you'll be getting paid, and you'll also be paying taxes if you get paid over $500 for that year. You must submit a criminal background history check, and that's an online process. It'll just ask you many questions regarding if you have a criminal background, criminal history. And after you've done all your classes online and you register, then you'll have a 1 day practical application during field work in terms of how to run as referee, how to conduct yourself, how to blow the whistle, how to maneuver the flag, and those types of things as a soccer referee. So, who becomes a soccer referee? Anyone can become a soccer referee. Female, male, young, old, any ethnic background, different walks of life can become a soccer referee. As you see during soccer games, you have many international soccer referees who referee. Here in the United States, you'll have every kind of ethnic background who will be be a referee or who's eligible. You don't have to have any experience. So typically, who usually referee soccer is those who love soccer, who want to be around the game, and who is at their time of not playing. Um, younger younger age groups who referee are because they want to have a job and they want to have extra cash, so that way they can spend their money as they wish or save it. As a soccer referee, you have to know the rules and you'll have to apply them when needed. There are 11 laws of the game, and you'll have to apply them at case by case and when you need to execute them. Uniforms are basically yellow jersey, black shorts, and three stripe socks, and those can be paid at a minimal price. What are the pros for becoming a United States soccer referee? Well, you'll get to earn money at an early age, which will help you build your confidence, and you'll have extra cash. You can still be around soccer without having to play. You'll enjoy playing outside, refereeing outside with the other referees and the soccer players. So you enjoy the weather and you get to meet new friends. And usually you'll be assigned in a local venue. Typically, if you live at a soccer complex that's 15 minutes away, that would probably be the max time in the car, or maybe 20 minutes, depending on your level of refereeing and what kind of game it is. Cons. So the biggest detriment of becoming a referee at an early age, or even at an old age, our parents are the biggest distractors to the game of soccer because they don't know the rules or they have a biased opinion of the team because they have a son or daughter in the team. So they can scream at you or yell at you. Um, so you'll have to have pretty thick skin. At my age, I have to have thick skin. Sometimes I get frustrated when parents do think they want to give me their opinion of the rules. Uh, if you want to sign up for a tournament, tournaments can be long, and that's just something that you'll have to talk over with your parents, or if you drive, you'll have to drive at a certain location. As a referee, you'll have to run jog, and typically stand throughout the duration of the game. So there's no sitting, um, and you'll be running and jogging a lot. So you'll have to have physical abilities to do those things. If you have any injuries, then I recommend that you don't referee that day. But if you're in top shape or you're good shape, then you can potentially become a referee and continue on with that. Obviously, you know that weather can be an issue if you're in the summer it's hot. In the fall, it's becoming to get cooler. Sometimes it rains or not. In the winter, you'll have snow or you have freezing temperatures where you can't do it outside, but you can also referee indoors. And during the spring, it tends to rain a lot, depending on where you're at. There are different levels of refereeing in soccer. You have recreation, amateur, collegiate, and professional. So depending on how many years of experience you have, how many games you've done, and how successful you are as a referee is how you'll have the level of refereeing soccer. So you can move up and potentially one day become a professional. So in summary, I've talked to you about how to register to become a referee, who could become a soccer referee, why become a soccer referee, pros, cons, what is so special about becoming a soccer referee, and what levels you can referee at. As you know, I referee. I've got my referee sweatshirt on, but I'm also a one man bandit, and it's awesome time to referee at every age. I referee to the littlest kids to the old to um, early 20s, teenagers, high school. So anyone can become a referee. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation.